Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How have to be? Welcome back, dear friends, my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully you will be fine, spending a good and lavish life. I introduce new and great crochet baby frocks ideas that are very beautiful and are different to each other. You know that crochet platform in which I shared with you very beautiful and unique ideas that are completely different to each other. Kindly friends, subscribe my YouTube channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video, and friends, kindly watching this video at the last. You will enjoy my ideas which I compulsed enjoy with you. You will a little crop ideas that are completely different to each other. Kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel because it's are very beautiful and huge designs, fundamental design ideas that are completely different to each other. So you will enjoy my videos which are comfortable and are related to the crochet style great ideas. Hopefully friends, you will enjoy my ideas because it's are completely different to each other. Don't forget to subscribe my channel because it's are very beautiful and immense beautiful different ideas in this video I shared with you. Hopefully you will enjoy my attractive designs because it's are very beautiful and these frocks are very different to each other. I hope you will enjoy these ideas. So friend, don't forget, and these ideas are very beautiful and make you creative designs ideas, and creativity is important source for creation of different ideas. If you have some type of crochet collection, you will create different type of ideas to watching my videos. And friends, click on my red icon button and you will be enjoy different ideas. Hopefully you will be gain different type of thinking knowledge criteria to watching this video because it's are very beautiful and are different to each other. Kindly friends, subscribe my channel. These are very beautiful and different things ideas are completely different to each other. Beautiful thinking ideas in this video I shared with you. I hope you will enjoy these ideas because it's are very beautiful and are different to each other, and you will begin different type of thinking ideas because it's are completely different to each other. Subscribe my channel, like my ideas, and it's are very beautiful different designs ideas that are completely different to each other. Hopefully you will gain different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video, and friends, you will enjoy my ideas because it's are completely different to each other. So I hope you will enjoy my ideas because it's are very beautiful and you will enjoy my ideas. Upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality. Thank you so much friends to watching this video at the last. Inshallah next time I will meet you with the new and great ideas. So take care.